these are the measurements required for Salwar course. Make a note of it. Full length, shoulder, chest round, bust round, waist round, hip round, abdomen, bust point, waist length, hip length, armhole, biceps round, sleeve length, sleeve open, cap height, collar, neck width, neck depth for front and back. These are the measurements required for Salwar Kameez. We'll start taking the measurement for Salwar Kameez. Shoulder will be similar like we have taken in the blouse course, okay? So you have to take shoulder tip to shoulder tip. First I have explained in the blouse itself how to take the shoulder. This will be the part 2 video. Watch the part 1, okay? And for Salwar Kameez, you have to take the full length of the dress. To take the full length of the dress from the top, decide over the bust it should go, okay? It should not come like this. Over the bust it should go and down. So till where you want the length, you can take the full length. So it can be 14 till here or 16, 20, how much ever you want, you can take. That is full length. And next, chest round, bust round is like we have taken in the blouse only. So chest round, bust round is like we have taken in the blouse only. For waist round, we have taken this place, right? For blouse. For Salwar, you have to take it in this place, a narrow part of waist. So place your tape like this and take round measurement, okay? This is how you have to take the round measurement. And also hip round we have to take. So hip round for Salwar. So when you see here, the highest part of back, okay? When you touch and feel the highest part of back, this place is hip round measurement. Okay? So here it is. See? 18. Okay, here it is 18. This is how you have to take the hip round measurement. Next is abdomen. Few people will have tummy, okay. So for that case, you have to take abdomen measurement to put it on the waist round, where we'll have the navel point, right? So we'll have the navel point, 1 inch above the navel point is abdomen, okay. There you have to take the round measurement, okay, instead of taking the narrow waist, because if you have tummy, it will be bulged like this if you have tummy. That case, you have to come down and take the abdomen measurement and put it, when you're making the pattern, put it on your waist round place. So next is bust point. Bust point is similar to the blouse, whatever you have taken that. Next is waist length. So when you take the bust point, you take it like this, right? Just come down like this, okay? So till here, over the bust it should go, come down. So it is 7/3/4. This is your waist length, okay? This is your waist length. So till the narrow part, this is called your waist length. And next is hip length. Hip length has to be taken at back. See, place the tape like this. When you come, the highest part of back is called hip length, okay? The highest part of back. Hip length, 10 inch, okay? Which is like from here, when you are making the slit kurta, from here only you'll have the opening. Or when you are making the A-line, from here only the shape has to open up. So for that, we need the hip length measurement. So only this is the difference between Salwar and blouse. Okay, these are the measurements difference. Apart from that, neck width, neck depth, everything is similar to blouse and Salwar. Now we'll see how to take the sleeve measurement. That is common for blouse and Salwar. Apart from Salwar, you'll take extra measurement is waist round, waist length, hip round, hip length. That is required for Salwar. So now we have the hand to take the hand measurement. See, whenever you want to take the waist round measurement, the elbow part is there, no? Here you will see the elbow, only there the waist round will come. So if you are not able to find the exact waist for you, you can consider your elbow, okay? Elbow, hand elbow will be your waist, okay? Now to take the armhole measurement, place your tape under the armhole like this. Okay, here the tape is not going inside actually. Place your tape under the armhole like this and take the round measurement. Okay, so here it is 10. Okay, this is how you have to take the armhole measurement. Okay, you'll take the, place the tape under and over the shoulder. Okay, it should go over the shoulder like this. Shoulder end point, it should go over the shoulder end point and take the armhole measurement. Don't take it here. it should go over the shoulder end point and take the armhole measurement. And also very important thing is you need bicep measurement. Under the arm you are placing the tape like this, right? Highest part of your arm, which is called biceps. This measurements most of the people don't used to take, but you have to take this measurement. It's because few people will have muscles here which will be little bulgy, okay, for healthier person. So they'll feel tight if you are making the normal sleeve draft for them. Few people who is having muscles here, bulgier here, you have to consider this bicep measurement. According to that, we have to putting a few formula, we have to change the drafting differently, customized for them. Okay, so for that bicep measurement is required. Under the arm, highest part of back, that is called bicep. Now sleeve length, from here whatever sleeve you want you have to keep, and for full sleeve you have to place your hand like this, put your tape like this, bring like this and take the full sleeve. Okay, like that only you have to take the full sleeve measurement. Half sleeve and all you can just take it like this. Full sleeve and all you have to place the tape like this, bring the tape till the knee. After that again bring the tape till here. So you will bring the tape till the knee, hold it like this in the knee and bring it like this. Only then you will able to take the full length of the sleeve. If you are just placing and taking like this, the 11-inch will be end up in 10-inch only. Your sleeve length will not cover up till your hand, okay, till your wrist point. It will stop here. And sleeve length, if I'm keeping 4-inch, in that place, without keeping the hand, just take the round measurement. This is called sleeve round, okay, sleeve open or sleeve round. How much about round you want, you can take it. Hi. And these are the measurement we basically use for the blouse salwar. Okay. So with this measurement, you can able to draft either blouse or salwar. So here I have taught you how to take the measurement. When you are taking the measurement, make sure that if you are taking the self measurement, breathe out, relax your body and take the measurement. If you are taking for the other clients, tell them to breathe out and make them comfort and take the measurement. Only then you'll get the exact measurement. Okay. So when you're taking the measurement, don't keep your fingers inside. Take the exact measurement. Measurements are very important. So when you take the measurement without any mistakes, when you take the measurement accurately, when you make the pattern for that, you will achieve the creaseless pattern dress. Okay. So without any creases, you'll get the dress and with the body perfect fitting. Okay. So creases, without creases, few people will make the garment too tight. When you wear, there will not be any crease. It will be very perfect, looks like neatly ironed dress. But they can't move their hand or anything. Okay. So with the ease, without crease, you can make the very neat and professional garment. Thank you. Happy sewing.